Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, does Nextiva have a mobile app? I know that a lot of people are looking for a mobile app for their business phone system, so I wanted to take some time to answer this question for you. Before we get into the answer, let's talk about what Nextiva is. Nextiva is a cloud-based business phone system that offers a variety of features, including unlimited calling and texting, voicemail, call forwarding, conference calling, auto attendant, and much more. Nextiva is a great option for businesses of all sizes. It's easy to set up and use, and it's very affordable. So, does Nextiva have a mobile app? The answer is yes. Nextiva has a mobile app for both iOS and Android devices. The app is free to download and use, and it offers a variety of features, including making and receiving calls, sending and receiving texts, checking voicemail, listening to call recordings, accessing your call history. The Nextiva mobile app is a great way to stay connected to your business phone system, even when you're on the go. How to download and use the Nextiva mobile app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Nextiva. Download and install the app. Open the app and sign in with your Nextiva credentials. Once you're signed in, you can start using the app to make calls, send texts, and check voicemail. Here are some of the benefits of using the Nextiva mobile app. Stay connected to your business phone system, even when you're on the go. Make and receive calls from your business phone number. Send and receive texts from your business phone number. Check voicemail and listen to call recordings. Access your call history. Get notifications about new calls and messages. The Nextiva mobile app is a great way to stay productive and connected, even when you're away from your desk. In conclusion, yes, Nextiva does have a mobile app. The app is free to download and use, and it offers a variety of features that make it a great way to stay connected to your business phone system. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable business phone system, I highly recommend Nextiva. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. In addition to the features mentioned in the video, the Nextiva mobile app also allows you to set up call forwarding rules, create and manage call groups, view your call logs, access your contact list, and much more. The Nextiva mobile app is a powerful tool that can help you stay connected to your business, no matter where you are. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.